everybody, I'm Mrs. K from the Arcadia Public Library, and welcome to Funology. This is a program designed especially for kids in grades 3 through 8, and here's how Funology works. We present a project, tell you all the supplies you need, and then we show you how to do that project in very simple steps. Then you have the opportunity to do the project at home. You can experiment with it, you can create something fantastic, show it off to your friends and family, and have some fun along the way. So let's get started with our project for today. Hello! This Funology episode will be in 2 parts. This part is for parents and other caregivers. You're going to need to make some ingredients for this potion that we're going to do. First, you need to make some basilisk venom. And the way you do that is by taking some red cabbage. You can just buy at the grocery store. And you're going to need to chop up about 2 cups worth. Put this into a pan and cover it with water. Heat it on the stove till it comes to a boil. And then turn the heat off and let it cool for about 30 minutes. After you've done that, go ahead and drain off the liquid. And the liquid is going to be our basilisk venom. Red cabbage contains a chemical that changes color depending on the acidity of its environment. So this allows us to use it as our magic ingredient for our potion. You're also going to need some powdered boomslang. Powdered boomslang is really just powdered laundry soap. Any brand is fine. You're going to need some baking powder, or baking soda, I'm sorry, and just some plain white vinegar. Once you've gathered all those ingredients, you'll be ready for part 2, which is our Harry Potter edition of Funology. Okay, we're ready for part 2. Time to do our experiment. Well, to make our potion, that is. We're going to start by putting a little bit of our basilisk venom into our cauldron. So maybe just a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. Don't need a whole lot. And the first ingredient we need to add is just about a teaspoon of powdered boomslang. Let's put that in there. Notice that our color of our solution right now is kind of purplish. Let's see what happens when we add our powdered boomslang. See the color changing? It's turning a little bit greenish, huh? Let's add just a little bit more of that so we can see that green a little bit more brightly. Okay, so now we have changed from purple to green. Our next ingredient is to add some leech juice. Let's see what happens when we add our leech juice. Oh, it's turning pink, isn't it? Look at that, it's magic. All right, and for this last ingredient, I recommend that you have some sort of tub or overflow container because it can get a little fizzy and you might have an overflow. Let's see if we can get our potion to change colors one more time by adding our last ingredient, our ground horn of bicorn. Ready? Here it goes. And there it goes, fizzing up. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to change color. I don't know if you can see that it's just starting to turn a little bit blue. There it goes. All right, that's our program for today. Thank you for attending our Funology program. See you next time. Bye-bye.